everyone, today we are making kinetic sands using all the ingredients we have in our kitchen. We need a whisk, a medium bowl, 1 cup of soda bicarbonate, half cup of sugar, half cup of plain flour, 4 tablespoons of water, food coloring, and 1 tablespoon of cream of tartar. First, pour in the soda bicarbonate into the bowl. Next, pour in the sugar. Now, the flour, and the cream of tartar. Mix it gently until incorporated. Next, drop a few drops of food coloring into the water. Stir it and add a tablespoon into the mixture and mix it. Keep mixing until it incorporates. Mix it until you can feel the sandy filling. There you go, you have your very own homemade kinetic sands to play with. You can prepare this kinetic sand at home for your children to play with. Hope you enjoyed the video. Click like and share if you like our video. Thank you.